Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'll be doing a similar video from my last video, which is about 1 year ago. I know, right? I'm sorry guys for you all that have been waiting for me to upload. I'm sorry. I promise I'll be very consistent now. You see more recent videos of mine. So if you are new to my channel, please kindly like and subscribe to watch more of my video and turn on the notification button to know when I post a new video. Thank you all, and stay tuned to watch how I do this beautiful scarf. How I tie this. I noticed that it's from last year, 2018. It's trending, and it was from our Enquiry. She posted a similar scarf. If you are new, like, subscribe, turn on the notification button, and watch out how I did the scarf.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy. When you leave, I swear I can't breathe. Do you really care, baby? Even wonder your homicide. You are my fantasy, my only desire. Kukutekereza nijoro bituma nasinzira, 'cause you make me fall in love. Darling, if you touch me one more time, I might lose my mind. Baby, it's too much here. Can we go slowly? 'Cause I can't take it. 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 Give me your attention, 'cause you got my affection. Baby, and so good to taste. Taking us step by step on the beat. Put your night hand in hand in the street. Sing it. You are my fantasy, my only desire. Kukutekereza nijoro bituma nasinzira, 'cause you make me fall in love. Darling, if you touch me one more time, I might lose my mind. Baby, it's too much here. Can we go slowly? 'Cause I can't take it. 'Cause I can't take it. 'Cause I can't take it.
see you next in my other video. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Love you all. Bye. And to all my Muslim friends and family, and also my non-Muslim friends and family, I'm wishing you all Ramadan Mubarak.